Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Busol Tech and you are watching now Busol Tech. In this video I am going to show you that a free Tron TRX boot from Telegram. You can earn a huge TRX from this website by just doing simple tasks. I will also tell you how can you complete these tasks and how can you earn a huge benefit from this website. How can you reach here? I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you can reach here without wasting any time. When you reach here, you just need to click on start option now and this type of interface will come in front of you. First of all, you have to click on first option of my free sets and I already joined it, so come to the website and we have another one, practical boyki. Click on it and you can see that I already joined it. Now come to the website and YouTube channel, click on it and click on open option now and you can see that it will bring you
Hey
over
guys,
here.
welcome back. So today I
already subscribe it and press the bell icon. If you can't subscribe it, then you need to subscribe it to get free TRX from this boot. And then after joining all channels, click on the join button. All join button, click on it and we need to enter this captcha. This captcha is not case sensitive. Now we can use uppercase and lowercase both letter. After enter captcha, then you can see that minimum withdrawal amount is 0.001 TRX. Click on bonus option now. Get bonus. Click on get bonus and you can see that it will give us 0.001 TRX after every 24 hours. You can also claim this and you can also see minimum withdrawal amount only 0.001 TRX. After do all this stuff, then click on earn more option and register and receive free $500 immediately. Now I am not going to do these tasks and click on referral states. And here you go to your affiliate link. You have to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. If a person joins this website and does all tasks, then you will receive 0.1 TRX for every active referral. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now if you have any query or question about this boot, you can ask me in the comment section. Hopefully you like it.